Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to mark an item as a gift on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to get a gift for someone and you want to go ahead and order it to them, but you want to go ahead and mark it as a gift. Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first add in a mock item. So here we have a laptop, which we're just going to go ahead and add to the cart. Now, once you add the item to the cart, let's click on the shopping cart on the upper right-hand corner. And then when you scroll down, you're going to see this option here that says this order is a gift. So what'll happen is that it's actually going to hide the receipt so that the recipient does not see the price of the gift that you send them. So it basically ships in a discrete Walmart box instead of its original packaging, keeping the surprise intact for online orders. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and mark an order as a gift on the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.